Hello, I'm Saman. So it gives you the graph of f of x equals ln x over x for all x greater than 0, and the derivative f is given by 1 minus ln x over x squared. So part A asks you to find the equation for the line tangent to the graph of f at x equals e squared. This is very simple. You look at the f prime graph and all you do is plug in e squared for x, as I did. So let's go. 1 minus ln of e squared over e squared squared. If you have ln and e, they cancel, so it goes 1 minus 2 over e to the fourth, which equals negative 1 e to the fourth, as I put right there. So you have the derivative, and now you're trying to find the equation. So you plug in e squared to the original for e squared for f of x, and you get ln of e squared over e squared, which is 2 over e squared. 2 over e squared equals negative 1 e to the fourth e squared plus b. So we're trying to find b right now. Right, ignore that. We're trying to find b, and b, if you do some calculations, so after finding some calculations, this is what you should get: y equals 2 over e squared minus 1 over e to the fourth parentheses x minus e squared. And this makes sense because you had e squared for x, and yeah, so that's what you're doing. A is done. B, now it wants you to find the critical point of f, so you need to see when f prime equals 0. And f prime equals 0 when the numerator equals 0. So we can ignore the denominator, so let's just cross that denominator out. So 0 equals 1 minus ln x, and x would equal e when f prime is 0. So let's see if e is a relative max or relative min. So we see that f prime is increasing when x is less than e, but f prime is decreasing when x is greater than e. Increasing and decreasing is what? Yeah, you got it. It's a maximum. So e would be a relative max because it is changing, f prime graph is changing from positive to negative. Very good. Now let's keep it going to C. It says inflection point. Inflection point is f double prime. Now we have to make that equal 0. So after just f double prime doing quotient rule here. Quotient rule. Now you just simplify all the way to the end. Here you just simplified, and then you make it equal to 0, and you get x equals e to the 3 halves. If you have any questions, you can look at my work. And it's x equals e to the 3 halves because f double prime changes signs, and that's an inflection point. Part D says find when the limit of x goes to 0 from the right of f of x. And let me explain why the answer is negative infinity. So your equation is y equals ln x over x. When x goes to 0 from the right, it's like 0.0001. It's a really small number. So if we focus on the numerator, as ln goes to 0, it looks like it's going to negative infinity. So that's the reason the answer is negative infinity. Thanks for watching the video. Hope as long as you just watch the videos, you should do fine on this exam. Thank you.